so early. I thought you'd be asleep by now. Nightmares? Again? I thought you weren't afraid of nightmares. I'm only teasing. Oh. Well, since you're up so early, maybe we could cuddle just for a little bit. Well, I'm not exactly busy today, so I see why not. You're getting comfortable. It's been some time since you've been here. I like it. You don't seem as scared as you usually do. Is there a reason for this? What, so magically I'm cute now? Don't tell me you're enjoying this. You know, I'm not entirely a maniac. I may get a little violent at times and possessive, but that's only because I like you. And I only do this for you. So don't get ahead of yourself, okay? Oh yes, you're truly special, aren't you? The most specialist person in the entire world. The only one that's meant for me. I think this is where fate led us. Hey, chill out. You're hugging me too tightly. Not that I mind, of course. I like it a lot. Huh? Well, it's been quite some time since we've attempted to do any lovey-dovey stuff. But to be fair, you haven't really given me any room to do so. What, you think those days of you begging and screaming for freedom is gonna do anything? I've tried giving you my love. In fact, I've done it so many times, but... man, you're just something, aren't you? I'm not saying that it's a bad thing. You know, my sadistic side says that screaming and begging, that was a real one. A real good one that I wanted to just poke at you and cut you a little bit. What? Listen, all I'm saying is that I think you when you're a little bit beaten up is cute. And you know, I could beat you up right now if I wanted to. What if I bite you right now? What would you do? Whoa, that is a little freaky. Not sure if I'm into that. We'll see. Speaking of lovey-dovey stuff, we haven't kissed at all. I mean, I only haven't kissed you because you haven't asked yet. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed by you. But you know what? It's fine. I don't mind it at all. Hey, while I'm at it, maybe we should kiss now. You know, we're cuddling, we're alone. It's like the perfect opportunity to do that. Have you ever kissed anyone before? Really? Huh. Can't say I'm jealous, because I have you all to myself. So, should we kiss? You seem kinda eager. Alright. Just relax. That was something. I never thought I would get to kiss my darling after all this time. It's about time you did something. You know, I was getting quite bored. Only joking. Wanna do it again? Like that. That felt great. Is this you saying that you like me enough to kiss me? Or are you just doing this because you know it'll make me happy? You love me, right? You aren't just using me, are you? Good. I figured. I think you're right where you want to be. And I'm right where I want to be. Honestly, this is kind of nerve-wracking. I didn't think you'd be into that. You bit me a little bit. That's kind of naughty. I don't mind, though. Fair warning, if I bite you back, you might bleed. You know I'm into that. At least, blood in general. How about I bite you then? How? Hurts, doesn't it? I meant what I said. How? What, you don't like it? Alright. I won't do that then. What I will do, though, is give you so many kisses. Wow, you really like that, don't you? I told you, I'm very affectionate. Now that you aren't, screaming for freedom, I could finally prove why I'm the best girlfriend in the world. I wish you would let me bite you, though. I know, not everyone likes being bit, but in my opinion, it's kind of fun. Oh. Are you getting sleepy now? That's not fair. I was having so much fun, and now you're falling asleep on me? What a bummer. But you know what? Go on and sleep. You can sleep on my lap if you want. I don't mind. After all, you earned it. You don't have to worry about me beating you up or cutting you or biting you in your sleep. I'm just gonna be right here and watch you.